Huh?
I'll fry that chicken, right?
Yeah. Any other way to make it?
Yeah, just put it in the fridge. Oil. I already got my meat to fry the food.
You probably don't know what I'm doing. He's recording that taking from the government. Dumbasses. You think I'm making a joke, but I bet you that's what he's thinking. Ooh, we need Donna tonight. I like Donna. Alright, here we go.
There we go. Let's do it out your well. This is the little road that goes up to top.
Yeah.
And people park. See how this car is parked here? I hope I don't go over the mountains here.
Yeah.
You know, it's a setup for a side flight for insurance purposes. And if I hit it, it would be my fault. If I hit a parked car. See how they set you off here to get money? So you gotta be wiser than they are.
Huh?
You gotta be wiser than they are. And don't do it. Don't hit it. Hit it. When they pay.
Sure.
Yeah, even though they parked right in the road.
The stupid cat didn't even move.
I know.
I would have ran his ass over. Fuck that.
Insurance purpose, you know.
I ain't been paying for no insurance for no damn cat.
Money, hit me, I need money.
Fuck your cat. Kind of just keeps going, don't it?
Yeah.
And down we go.
Shoddy. Wonder if she made out of hammer. Probably not. Yeah, everybody's here having their dinner. There's supper.
Tomorrow I'm going to buy us dinner for maybe. Tomorrow we eat lechon. Hmm? You don't like it?
Oh, isn't that what that virus was contaminated with? The lechon?
Not in the food.
Where's it at?
Huh?
Where is it at? In the air?
Yeah.
In the air?
It's a flu virus.
There's that little dog. That's the one that comes up. That's Rock's
Who
friend.
the hell are those people?
Where?
That were back there.
Down there?
Yeah.
They're from the, they've been from the top off family.
Oh, yeah. That's his daughter. I remember.
But those people didn't live in that house when we were here. They were over in the States, I guess. Or somewhere. now they're over here.
Damn.
Well, we're going around this curve, mud hole, and there is our house. You can see it in the weeds.
You can hear the stupid dogs.
Here's the stupid dog. See our satellite? We have a satellite. So it goes to prove no matter where you live, you can still have a satellite.
What the hell's wrong with that dog?
Oh, they're just happy that they're home. Lucky's telling Rock. That's Rock. Lucky knows who we are. Rock. He's happy something. Can you hear the car dragging the bottom out?
Yeah, that's what I'm getting out.
No.
Oh.
Too late, I'm down now.
The Blair Witch Project. Hey, stupid dogs. How are you? Ugly as hell. Barking at. Inside. Jump up here. I'll kick your ass.